Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and my chart of the day. Want to follow up on General Motors. This is ticker GM. GM is a stock that we featured last night on the chart of the day, and it played out exactly how we had hoped, and you love it when a plan comes together. We talked about this long base of consolidation, chop in and around the 50-day moving average, a bullish engulfing candlestick to change the trend, and then today it broke out and did it on higher than average volume. And so if you took this idea, firstly, congratulations, nice trade. I would definitely consider a stop at today's intraday low if you took it, and watch for some upside follow through tomorrow. Ideally, you want to make sure that the stock holds up above today's low and doesn't give too much back. And if it does start to roll over on a short-term chart, like a 10-minute or a 30-minute chart, if you start to see this break some short-term moving averages, you might want to consider selling some into that strength and then putting a stop at break even so you don't have any losses on the trade initially. And that's just one of many trades that actually worked out nicely in our favor over at StockMarketMentor.com in just the past 24 hours. So if you want to see what we're up to and see more winning trades, we'd love to have you as part of our community. Click StockMarketMentor.com, and I hope to see you on the other side.